The Brandenburg Gate, also known as Brandenburger Tor, is a symbol of Berlin's history and unity. Built between 1788 and 1791 by architect Karl G. Langhans, it stands as the last town gate of Berlin. This neoclassical masterpiece, inspired by the Propylaea in Athens, features 12 Doric columns, creating 5 portals, with the central one reserved for royalty. In 1793, a quadriga statue depicting the goddess of victory was added, and during Napoleon's occupation, it was taken to Paris but returned in 1814. Heavily damaged in World War II, it was restored in 1957-58 with the quadriga recast. From 1961 to 1989, the gate symbolized the divided Germany, but it reopened on December 22, 1989, after the Berlin Wall fell, signifying reunification. Today, the Brandenburg Gate is one of Berlin's most iconic landmarks, facing Pariser Platz, a square surrounded by elegant buildings, embassies, and the luxurious Hotel Adlon. The gate's reliefs and sculptures were designed by Gottfried Schadow. This historic site is a testament to Berlin's past, present, and enduring unity.